Alright, this is gain reduction at 12. DJI mic test. I should be able to just do this and have clear audio. I should be able to drop this right on over here. Let's see. Drop this right on over here. Pop that right there. And let's just see what happens. Come on. Alright, so I got the magnet on. And I'm gonna do a couple bounces, see if it'll stay on. See if it can stay on during our little running. Come on. And this without the wind filter. I bit the shit out of my ass. Alright, this is a test at gain reduction -6. No wind filter. On mono, not stereo. So, just walking along. She found something to pick up. Pine cone looks like. Get that out of there. Alright. So this is gain reduction 6. Alright, this is no gain reduction. This is at 0 gain reduction. Still on mono channel. It's just a DJI mic test. Mic test 1 2 1 2. Mic test 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. Check, 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 check. I don't know if I'm still picking up or not. See how it sounds when we run. 0 gain reduction. And then she gonna run from me. You ain't gonna run from me. Alright, leave it. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? This is at +6 gain. Yeah, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? This is a +6 gain. This is mic test, 1 2 1 2. Check, 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 check. Yeah. It's like this old mic test. Alright. This is +12 gain reduction. Or gain. +12 gain. My bad, not gain reduction. Should be a little hot. I don't know how hot. Mic test, check, 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 check. Mic test. Check, 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 check. 1 2 1 2. What you doing, Spirit? Yeah, this the old mic check. This just the old mic check. +12 gain, still on mono. Alright, so this is -12 on stereo. I don't know if there's any difference in mono, stereo. I know mono should probably be a little clearer. I think stereo's for when you have 2 mics picked up, it'll catch both. One on the left, one on the right. So this is just in stereo. Let's just see what happens when we got one transmitter hooked up. As you can see, she's a little crazy, a little wild. Mic check, mic check. I want to say this at -6 mono. Come on. Whoop whoop. Yeah, that my girl. That my girls. That my girls. Mic check, that my girls. Yeah, you go do. You go do. What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? We finna do a little training with the old pup. She's going on 4 months this month. We got her from the shelter. And she's actually been doing good. She's a little hard-headed sometimes. A little feisty. Got a little attitude problem. She's not mean. Just when she don't get her way, she just gets a little attitude problem. As you can see, she been waiting on me to go training. And obviously she ain't getting her way, so she's got to chew on something. So found a leaf to chew on. So you ready for puppy school? Yeah, you ready for puppy school. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Heel. Good girl. See, it's been raining for the last 3-4 days, so she's a little antsy. Little antsy. Spin. Good girl. Good girl. Turn up. Good girl. Six. Whoa, 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 whoa. Good girl. Clear. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. She was skin and bones when we got her. Now she's filled out. All nice and chunky. Well, she ain't fat, but she ain't skin and bones no more, that's for sure. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Alright, stay. I usually make her sit. Stay. I usually make her sit whenever there's a car coming. So that kind of accidentally blended in with what she was supposed to do anyway. But as you can see, she's pretty good at staying. Pretty good at it. Pretty good at your job. Huh. Say I'm pretty good at what I do. Yes, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. Come on.